Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Rock Island County, northeastern Mercer County, western Whiteside County, northwestern Henry County, central Carroll County, southeastern Jackson County, Iowa, Scott County, Iowa, Clinton County, Iowa, until 3 p.m. At 1:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Plainview to Credit Island to near Bowdoin, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Davenport, Moline, Rock Island, Bettendorf, Clinton, East Moline, Morrison, Mount Carroll, Silvis, Geneseo, Eldridge, DeWitt, Milan, Kelowna, Comanche, LeClaire, Coal Valley, Fulton, Savannah, and Prophetstown. This includes the following highways: Interstate 74 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 5. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 286 and 306. Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 17. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 21. Interstate 88 between mile markers 1 and 29. Interstate 280 between mile markers 1 and 5.